Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'll be showing you how you can enhance you can make your video look much better. So I'll be using Capcut. If you don't have Capcut on your PC, kindly install one. So after you've opened your software, which is Capcut software, import your video and drag it to your timeline. So we are making use of this video for the purpose of this training. So let me separate the audio so that the audio will not disrupt what we're doing, what we're about to do rather. Okay, so the next thing you do, click on the footage and go to the video. So we're on video now, scroll up, you see face. So let's start with face. Click on it. So you see smooth, brighten and white teeth. Okay, so let's try and smooth the face, the lady's face. If you can see, the lady's face is more smoother than before. So it's very smooth now. Brighten, let's brighten it a little bit. I think it's okay like this. Okay. So you can see that she opened her teeth. So let me try and adjust the teeth to be much better. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is face. So once you click on face, you will see smooth, brighten, white teeth. And you can also play with all this one. You can see we have single mode and multiple mode, but we are working on single mode. So once you are done with your setting here, depending on what you want to achieve with your footage or videos rather. So once you are done adjusting this part, which is face, you scroll down and you click facial beauty. So once you click on facial beauty, we see single mode. Like I told you, I'm making use of single mode. You will see face, eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrow. So if you click on face, there's a way you can just adjust. If you want to turn the lady's face to a tiny face, you can do that. You work on his cheek and short face. So it have a lot of things here. So let's try and adjust one or two things so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm working on the tiny face now. You can see the face is more bigger. So let me reduce it. This one is tiny face. Tiny face. Why this one is bigger face? You can see it's very big. So I think it's okay like this. Think it's okay like this. So let's work on the chin. Mm, mm, mm. You can see the movement on the lady's face, right? Okay, let me make use of this one. So let's work on this short face. Short, short. Okay. Let me just leave it like this. So like I said the other time that it all depends on what you want to achieve. Okay, so let me leave it like this. Middle part, you can see stretch out, stretch in, this out, why this one is stretch in. So this is it. So you can just play around with all these things. Okay, so after you've done this, after you've done your setting the way you want it, like the face, the next thing is click on eye. Do you want the eyes to be big? Depend on what you want. The eye span, depend on what you want. So it all depend on what you want here. So let's go to nose. You can see we have slim nose, bridge, and nasal root. So let me click on the slim nose. You can see there's changes. It's turning to slim nose. You can see the nose now is very very slim. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So let me just leave like this. Let's work on the bridge too. Bridge, you can see the effect. the nasal roots. So like I said, it all depends on what you want to achieve. So this slim nose. So after you've worked on this, let's move to mouth. Size, mouth size and smile lips. So you can say, oh, the mouth is so big. So let me make it small. You can see this is small mouth, while this one is big mouth. So let me just do it like this, do it like this. The lips, you can see the effect. Okay, so we've worked on the face, the facial beauty, and so the next one now let's move to makeup. Just leave this manual stuff. Let's work on the makeup now. So let's click on set. We have set, eyelashes, eyeshadow, lipstick. Okay, so it's still loading. So if I click on this now, you see the lady's face. Click on this. So it's trying to do makeup. You can see it's changing the lady's face. The way I'm clicking different this thing, different makeup. Should I say it's different? They are different makeup. Like this one is lighter. This one too is lighter. It's lighter. I think I prefer this one. So depend on what you want to achieve with your video. So let's move to eyelashes. So we have smart, little devil, nature, western, and blah blah like that. So it's still loading. So we have set, we have eyelashes, eyeshadow, lipstick. So you can work on the lipstick on the ladies too. You can turn this lipstick. You know, it's like the color is black. You can change it to red. You can change to whatever you want. The eyeshadow too, yeah, you can work on it. Eyelashes, you can work on it too. So it can all depend on. You can see we have different one. You can just pick the one you want to use. So let me leave it on this. Let's go to eyeshadow. Let me click on. Okay, let me start from beginning. This one, this, this. Which okay, you can just pick anyone depending on what you want. So let me just go with this. After you've done that, you've set your eyeshadow, go to lipstick. Whoa, you see what happened to the lady's mouth now? Oh, this one is a little bit dark, red. Oh, okay. This one a little bit dark with red. This too. So I'll prefer this. So you can also work on the body too. You can also work on the body, but for the purpose of this training, you can see that camera shot is like a close up shot, so it's not showing our full body. So there's no way you can work on the body, but there's option for body. Yeah, click on it to show legs, slim, waist, head, smooth. So you have a lot of pictures there that you can just work to make your footage look nice. So I hope you've learned today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, see you. Bye bye.